everyone, welcome to another Steam at Home with Miss Erin. And this week, I'm going to show you how to make a snowstorm in a bottle or a jar. Now, I don't know about you, but I was a little disappointed that we didn't get all that heavy snow last week. I love to watch snowfall. So I'm going to show you how you can have a snowstorm anytime you want in a bottle or a jar. I'm going to use a jar for my experiment. When you come to the library, your kit will have a bottle. So here's my jar. If you have a jar like this at home, this works well. You need about 1/4 cup of water or 2 ounces of water. You need some white paint. You need baby oil. You can use glitter. I am not going to use glitter today. And you need some Alkaseltzer or the generic equivalent of it. So the first thing you do is take your baby oil and you're going to fill this most of the way up. Now, you never want to fill your jar or your bottle completely because there's going to be some chemical reactions going on and you don't want to make a gigantic mess. So I'm going to take this and pour it on in. I'm going to do about 6 ounces. Then I'm going to take my water and I'm going to just put a squirt of white paint in it. A little squirt. Don't need to be a lot. And I'm just going to take this pencil and stir it up. Kind of cloudy. Again, you don't need a lot in there. I'm going to take my paint, pour it into my jar. You can see it kind of settles on the bottom because the paint is heavier than the water. This is where you would put glitter in if you chose to add glitter. I am not going to use glitter today. So, well, this is the fun thing. If you have a bottle, you're going to have to break this up into pieces, but because I have a wide jar, I'm just going to drop mine in. Drop the Alkaseltzer tablet in, and you can see the white bubbles going up and down. I've created a little snowstorm in a jar. This reaction will go on for about 45 seconds to a minute. Pretty cool. You can see it on this side too. Can maybe hear it. There's a nice fizz going on. And when it's done, all you have to do is let it settle for probably about 5 minutes after the reaction is done. And you could put another tablet in and do it again and again. Put a lid on your bottle or your jar. This will stay. You just have to add another Alkaseltzer tablet and it will keep happening over and over. So you'll have a snowstorm anytime you want, even in the middle of July. Hope you have fun making little snowstorms. As always, let us know how you enjoyed your project this week, and we'll see you next week.